What's good with it, y'all? We back at it. Know it's been a minute, but let's get it. We got a little work vlog, time lapse type of thing today. I already got the shoes prepped, ready, scuffed up, all that good stuff, sanded, got the tongue taped off. I'm doing the cotton candy theme on those with a jean jacket to match, little Levi junk light wash. I don't know. Other than that, we're gonna see what we can get to, but these gotta be done today. We're gonna see how they turn out.
This is the intro. We up in the morning with it.
I don't ever wanna grow up, leave me in my youth forever. I just talk about my future, just let it all come together. Everybody in my business, say back up you and whoever. Got enough of my mental, all this stressing don't make it better. If I told you I had issues, you leave. Why you trusting in me? My heart colder than a freezer, you wear yours on your sleeve. I be singing like Aretha deep inside underneath. All this pain up in my body, girl, I'm not what you need. All the love I receive, fake a smile to deceive. I ain't beefing with no lame or nothing else is beneath. Throwing hands over no jit, that just ain't really for me. I done came too close to quit, ain't nothing coming for free. All these college girls want me for the name, baby, yeah. This ain't what you want, it's too much savage in the air. You don't really want me for the things that I am. To be honest, at this point, man, I don't even care. Show me what it real at, show me what it feels at. Show me something different, have me thinking I can feel that. Sick and tired of makeup, who you when you wake up. I'm nobody's super, but you easy as a layup. So I can never love you, I can never touch you. You wanna get married, baby, I can't even cuff you. Baby, I don't want to, baby, I don't want you to get the wrong impression. I can't even lead you on, boo. Tell me why these people wanna pop up when you make it. I can't let nobody take it, I've been working for this. I got haters, if you want it, you can be my new opponent. All my hitters, they be on it, I've been chillin' by my. I'm like, what's your set, who you is, what you claim? I don't do this for a name, I don't even want the fame. I got plenty rocks in my watch, in my sock. Used to controlling the block, had to watch out for the cops. Like, we been doing it for the longest. Yeah. We been doing it forever, we gon' keep doing it. Talk soon, the intro. Hey, Wapo.
I just talk about my future, just let it all come together. Everybody in my business, say back up you and whoever. Got enough on my mental, all this stress and don't make it better. Tryna run me up, baby. You, baby, no one else say it.
KF4DT.
I've been running around the city tryna run me up a bag. 40 bulging out my pocket, I can't never go outside. If I cock it, I'ma pop it, homie, ain't no going back. Speaking on me, get some pipe before you meet the stingy man. I got a 4 in the wheel, exotic departure, I'm whipping the hearts, I valet the part for real. Killer they hearts, just shoot it from Mars, but know you an art for real. You cap on your post, you ain't CEO, no you ain't a part for real. You out of your line, you wasting my time, I won't even start for real. Go get you some bread, you tricking for head, no you ain't a player for real. You trying to boy, we playing with toys and they done spray you for real. Could pull it with sticks, on top of the sticks, I know where you lay for real. You know who I been, you know who my kin, you know where I stay for real. Got a brick in the wheel, don't wanna see how I live, don't wanna copy the trip, watch these brand new kicks, you know what it is. Don't wanna shoot at a pimp, you gon' fly high like a blimp, pull up to your crib, you gotta see how I live. Mansion on top of the hill, got Buffalo Bills. Pull the clock, let's get it in. They like Fresco, where you been? Tryna come through, buddy, knowing where you ain't my friend. I can't kick it with no options, OTF, I'm with the king. I got Asian hitters riding down the shoe like Jeremy Lin. See no hate, look in my eyes, see your fate. You want that ice, and if I'm great, it's no surprise. I'm on that bag like the white on rice. I push that clock like I'm Ray Rice. I bag that chick if she look nice. The bag don't fit inside your life. The baddest chick, but that my wife. Ayy, she look at my eyes, and they look at my eyes. It ain't no surprise. And she won't realize I'm the greatest that did it. I'm the greatest that did it, the greatest that seen it. I'm in it to win it. If I see that little bag, I gotta go get it. I've been running around the city tryna run me up a bag. 40 bulging out my pocket, I can't never go outside. If I cock it, I'ma pop it, homie, ain't no going back. getting on me, get some pipe before you meet the stingy man. I got a phone in the wheel. Exotic departure, I'm whipping the hearts, I barely depart for real. Killer they hearts, they shooter from Mars, we know you an art for real. You cap on your post, you ain't CEO, no you ain't a part for real. You out of your line, you wasting my time, I won't even start for real. Stop it for real, you ain't no thuggin', you know what it is. I got that banger, but keep it concealed. Glocky on me, keep it under the wheel. Hockey on me, got the ice on me chill. Hot as a pepper, I feel like Jabril. Shout out my people, gon' throw 'em a meal. When I get richer for keeping it real. I know some goonies who wait on the pill. Just a little loony, need to them for real. Draco the drum on it, I hear the hill. Screw the boy over, I'm ready to drill. Run back this head like I'm in no tail. Keep in my city, I feel like a smell. So many money, I feel like a sale. 901 baby, catch me out on bail. I'm in the street, I really be riding with dope boys who be serving. I choose a different route, cause my mama said, baby boy, it ain't worth it. Too many homeboys in the pen locked up, dying too early. Too many talks up, wanna smash on the kid, she gonna burn me. I want a down chick who gon' ride, slide, and she willing to learn me. But at the same time, she got pretty eyes, and little baby, she curvy, curvy. They lie why she curvy me. I'm the G-O-A-T up, now next, that's the word, yeah.
Sono got the sauce, boy.
Ooh. We back. Yeah.
Oh no, we just got lit in the party. I'm gone up the Henny and I'm taking photos. All of these rappers want bagging, so I'ma come different and call me a rose gold. I could've flooded the patty, but I got a habit of buying these Rolos. I'm rolling solo, say I just be dolo.
Look in the mirror, what do you see? I see a G-O-A-T, I'm a great. Went through a lot in my life, but I'm used to it. Brush off my shoulders and watch for the snakes. I just been waiting, they saying be patient, but I need it now, it ain't up for debate. Tell me you love me when you sit in front of me, turning my back and I'm feeling the hate. But maybe I'm having an off day. Been working, I need me an off day. Put an X on the box, had to plug in the Sony, the way that these people they crossplay. I come hard as a rock, put the work on the block, and my girl got an Iggy, no Andre. You can't talk about no murder if you ain't no killer, I never been into the gunplay.
That potato gon' turn a big shot to a whistle, so you never know what the gun say. I was talking the rock while you couldn't go outside, had to go out to see what your mom say. If you cheated on me, it's your loss, ain't no talking, no reason to look in your dumb face. Was it eating with me before I got my first meeting? Why should I let you in my lunch space? Oh no, we just got lit in the party. I'm gone up the Henny and I'm taking photos. All of these rappers want bagging, so I'ma come different and call me a rose gold. I could've flooded the patty, but I got a habit of buying these Rolos. I'm rolling solo, say I just be dolo.
Look in the mirror, what do you see? I see a G-O-A-T, I'm a great. Went through a lot in my life, but I'm used to it. Brush off my shoulders and watch for the snakes. I just been waiting, they saying be patient, but I need it now, it ain't up for debate. Tell me you love me when you sit in front of me, turning my back and I'm feeling the hate. But baby, I'm having an off day. Been working, I need me an off day. Put an X on the box, had to plug in the Sony, the way that these people they crossplay. I come hard as a rock, put the work on the block, and my girl got an Iggy, no Andre. You can't talk about no murder if you ain't no killer, I never been into the gunplay.
Ay, vroom, roaring go zoom. Fly as a kite, taking off on the boom. You want the glitz and the glamour and glory, but you wasn't with me alone in the room. Wish I would miss, I could see in my family faces, they labeling me as a coon. Since 28th the day my uncle passed, I ain't functioned the same ever since when it's June. Take off your shoe when you step into me. Brand new cadet, so don't step on my feet. Hottest in Memphis, I said it, I mean it. The flow came from Gates, I'm respecting the G. You must be crazy if you fix your mouth to say that you know somebody better than me. Cause it ain't nobody better than me. Jack is his perfume, you ain't stepping to me. Touch up your string, get a cloak at your funeral, come at a proper, or you can get folded. Just like a towel that's fresh out the shower or fresh out the dryer, I'm in with your clothes. I got a mini Draco, but the clip on Colossal in case I'ma need a little closure. Coming correct is what you should be worried about, don't get smoked like a wood for exposure. Oh no, we just got lit in the party. I'm gone up the Henny and I'm taking photos. All of these rappers want bagging, so I'ma come different and call me a rose gold. I could've flooded the patty, but I got a habit of buying these Rolos. I'm rolling solo, say I just be dolo.
Look in the mirror, what do you see? I see a G-O-A-T, I'm a great. Went through a lot in my life, but I'm used to it. Brush off my shoulders and watch for the snakes. I just been waiting, they saying be patient, but I need it now, it ain't up for debate. Tell me you love me when you sit in front of me, turning my back and I'm feeling the hate. But baby, I'm having an off day. Been working, I need me an off day. Put an X on the box, had to plug in the Sony, the way that these people they crossplay. I come hard as a rock, put the work on the block, and my girl got an Iggy, no Andre. You can't talk about no murder if you ain't no killer, I never been into the gunplay.